You've got them hooked, so reel them in. Now that you have built a landing page and got some traffic on it, you need to keep them. In fact, you need to keep adding to what you have so that you can take action towards converting them into paying customers. The first thing you need is their attention. Have you wondered how many people are checking their phones while binging on a Netflix show or a movie? That's right. We are increasingly becoming a multi-screen generation. That's because there is so much going on out there, and we have only 24 hours to catch up. It's very easy for people to forget that they have products and services they need. That is exactly why we are building an email list and gaining loyal customers. But that loyalty is not free. The first step is to keep your email reminders regular. If your audience knows that every Thursday, or any day of the week that works for you, they will get an email from you, you are headed in the right direction. This can turn into a Pavlovian response if you do your job well. Once you have them subscribed, you must make sure that you offer value in your emails. We have talked about it briefly when we addressed the benefits of email lists. Your audience has subscribed to your newsletters because of the value you offer in the form of a free voucher, a free trial, or an exclusive look into the upcoming upgrades. These goodies are the beginning of the relationship you form with your audience. In fact, it's always important to remember that you must always maintain the perception that you are offering them more than what you are asking them to do. For example, there will be a stage when you want to ask your audience for referrals, but that won't happen unless they have already benefited from you. So make sure that you offer freebies before you ask them to forward the email or share your promotions on social media. But this takes long-term planning. Right from the initial stages, have a step-by-step plan towards monetization. If you are a small brand that is still building its value, think of yourself as a blogger. You have been building a loyal base with the content you offer. The next step is to make money, right? You can promote products that don't compete with yours, but instead act as add-ons to what you have to offer. They are also less likely to annoy your audience. In fact, they might inspire more purchases. The key to targeted advertising is make some money but never compromise on the user experience on your website. No one likes irrelevant pop-up ads.